Well, I've been having some real disturbing things that I'm gonna have to talk about. It's about some stuff that they blatantly left out of the making a Dungeons and Dragons book, 1977, and I'm gonna tell you about it. A lot of people don't know this, but Gygax and Arneson and some of the other founding members actually colonized a few small nations. And I have it on good authority they owned slaves. And they were cannibals as well. Bet you didn't know that about the founding fathers of gaming. They ate people that ate their slaves. Now you know. So, Wizards of the Coast is trying to warn you people about what's going on, and y'all just making light of it. They didn't just talk about slavery and colonialism and sexism. They actually took over about a few hundred small nations and colonized them and enslaved the people. Bet you didn't know that. You think you're so smart? Well, Wizards of the Coast is trying to warn you.